Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Robin here. In today's video, I'll be making Biang Biang noodles. Biang Biang noodle is a type of Chinese hand-pulled noodles that is flat and wide. Sometimes it's also known as belt noodles. It originated from China's Shaanxi province about 3,000 years ago and is very popular throughout the entire country. This dish turns the most basic ingredients into magic. The noodles are chewy, the dish is fragrant, garlicky, spicy, and sour. As always, the ingredients and measurements are listed down in the description. Let's first make the dough. Making hand-pulled noodles only requires 3 ingredients: flour, salt, and water. The key is to let the dough rest for a long time, which helps to form the gluten strands that are needed to make the dough super elastic. Mix the flour, salt, and water together. Salt can provide flavor as well as strengthen the gluten structure. Cover the dough and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, knead the dough for about 1 minute until it's smooth. Divide the dough into 6 pieces and shape them into a ball shape. Press down the dough and fold the edge into the center. Repeat this for about 6 times. Then you'll get a smooth side. Cover the dough and let it rest for 15 minutes. Take 1 piece and roll the dough out into an elliptical shape. Leave a mark in the middle of the dough longitudinally using a chopstick. Repeat this step for all 6 pieces. Coat the dough with a generous amount of oil on both sides. Cover them and let them rest for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, the dough will have a really good rest and is ready to be hand-pulled. Stretch it and it will become as long as you want. And if you were wondering why it's called Biang Biang noodle, it's the slapping sound. Slapping the noodle on the work surface will help it stretch evenly. Then rip the noodle from the middle, following the mark that was made by the chopstick. It's super fun. The noodle is smooth, flat, and wide. It has a nice chewy texture and is very good with catching a lot of sauces. Now let's assemble the plate. Add the black vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, chili powder, chopped garlic, scallions, and a pinch of salt on the noodles. Pour some hot oil on top of the garlic and chili powder to release their fragrances. Mix them well. I can't wait to enjoy this noodle. Look at the chewy white noodles that are covered by all the sauces, the garlic, scallion, and chili powder. It's so fragrant and addictive. You should definitely make this at home. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!